Hello everyone. In this video, we'll have a look at the question here. Right. So another market equilibrium question. We have the demand equation, we have the supply equation, and we have to find the equilibrium price and equilibrium quantity using the equations given. So we know that the first thing we have to do is what is market equilibrium, right? It's simply quantity demanded being equal to quantity supplied. That's what market equilibrium is. So just put that first. And the demand equation is given in the question 20 minus 2p. And that should be equal to the supply equation, which is 2p, right? So the first step is finding the equilibrium price, because in this equation that we have, the only unknown variable is the price. So when we find the value of the price, solving this equation, making price as the subject, the value that we get for price has to be the equilibrium price, because QD equals QS, that's what we have put, right? So the first step, like I said, finding the price. And to do that, we have to bring the prices, right, the p's to one side of the equation. So we take this minus 2p and bring it to the other side of the equation. So it's going to be just 20 on one side, and on the other side, 2p plus the 2p that came from the other side, right? So it's going to be 4p equals 20. And to find out the value of just p, you have to divide this side by 4. You do the same thing on the other side. You'll end up with price being equal to 5 rupees. 5 rupees. So that's your equilibrium price, right? That's the price when QD and QS are equal, according to what we have done here. Then we take this 5 rupees and put it in the demand or supply equation. You can put it in either of them. But I have recommended you in the previous video also, take this equilibrium price and have the habit of putting it in the demand equation whenever you are trying to find the equilibrium quantity, right? So let's do that. 20 minus 2 multiplied by 5, that's the equilibrium price. So now what we are trying to do is we are trying to find out the quantity demanded when the price is 5. That means we're trying to find the quantity demanded at the equilibrium price, because the quantity demanded we find at the equilibrium price has to be the equilibrium quantity. So 20 minus 10. So your equilibrium quantity is 10 units, right? All you have to do now is just look for equilibrium price 5, equilibrium quantity 10 in the answers, and in answer number 3, we have it. Equilibrium price is 5, equilibrium quantity is 10. Just to cross check, let's put this 5 rupees in the supply equation also, 2 multiplied by price. So price is the equilibrium price, since we are trying to find the equilibrium quantity, and again 10 units. 10 units. So QD and QS are equal when the quantity is 10 and the price is 5. That's your answer. Let's do more calculation based questions in the coming videos. Have a nice day.